case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1982, the United States District Court for the Eastern District of New York heard the case of United States v. Muscato, which centered on the admissibility of hearsay evidence. The court ultimately decided that statements made outside of court may be allowed as evidence if they are reliable, necessary for the case, and their admission does not unfairly prejudice either party. The lawsuit was sparked by the indictment of John Muscato, a former police officer, on multiple counts related to the illegal manufacturing and distribution of firearms. Muscato attempted to obtain a new trial based on hearsay evidence but was unsuccessful. The case began when a pen-like firearm was shown to Stanley Zostek Jr., another former police officer, by an acquaintance, Walter Gollander. Zostek then shared the firearm with Joseph Kirchner, and the two decided to enter the arms trade with Muscato in charge of manufacturing pen guns. The defense attacked the credibility of witnesses who testified against Muscato, but the court ultimately held that their extrajudicial declarations were admissible as evidence. The motion for a new trial was denied, and Muscato's conviction was upheld. The court determined that the evidence against him had been reliable and credible, and that allowing the statements made outside of the courtroom had not been unfair or prejudicial to the defendant.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.